Singsang Tai Tai Leho, I'm Maria Teresa Cabanalan, born on August 20, 1979, 46 years old, from Laguna, Philippines. I am single parent and blessed with three children, ages 25, 20, and 9 years old. I am a college undergraduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking care of kids. I worked as a domestic helper in Bahrain for 8 months from November 2014 to July 2015. I serve one couple and two children ages 12 and 3 years old. I worked as a housemaid in the Philippines for 7 years from January 2017 to January 2024. I serve one couple and two children ages 10 years old and newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Maria Teresa Cabanalan. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer are always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work, do my best to improve it.
Okay, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand and look to the right and left before crossing.
All right, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I could do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call the informed my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Maria Teresa Cabanalan, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.